Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Make sure the Bullets Wireless Z2 are charged and powered on, then pair them via Bluetooth to your OnePlus. Once paired, open Settings and confirm Google is set as your default assistant app so voice requests route correctly. Do this now because pairing and assistant assignment are prerequisites. Without them, the headset control won't invoke Google Assistant. Once paired and selected, you're ready to map the headset control to the assistant in the next step. Next, you map the headset control to actually call Google Assistant. Open Settings, then Buttons and Gestures or App Shortcuts on your OnePlus, find the accessory or headset control entry, and assign the inline Remote Long Press or Multifunction button to Google Assistant. Make sure Hey Google Voice Match is enabled in the Google app so you can say the wake phrase if you prefer hands-free. Once done, test a quick long press to confirm the phone. Here's the command and routes audio through the headset. Finally, test the flow with a few real commands so you verify both audio and mic work. Ask for calendar items, set a timer, or make a call to check reliability. If you want, open Google App Settings to change language or voice for clearer recognition. If the assistant won't trigger, repair the headset, clear Bluetooth cache in system settings, and check for headset or phone firmware updates. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes connection or activation failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.